If your evenings feel like a race between cooking something decent and just giving up and ordering food, you're definitely not alone. The real problem isn't just time. It's the effort of juggling multiple appliances and still not getting consistent results. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fullwill 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker 6-quart, a multi-cooker designed for busy families, beginners, and anyone who wants to simplify cooking without sacrificing variety. This is one of those all-in-one appliances that promises to replace almost everything on your counter, from your rice cooker to your slow cooker. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design feels practical rather than flashy, which is actually a good thing for something you'll use daily. The stainless steel exterior has a clean, fingerprint-resistant finish, so it doesn't constantly look messy even after regular use. The inner pot uses a non-stick coating that feels smooth and durable, and in real life, that translates to less sticking and easier cooking with minimal oil. The size sits comfortably in that middle ground, big enough for family meals, but not so large that it feels overwhelming on your countertop. The lid locks securely, and the overall build gives you confidence that it's made for repeated use rather than occasional cooking. The control panel is where this cooker starts to feel more approachable. Instead of forcing you to figure everything out manually, it gives you preset programs that actually match how people cook in real life. Whether it's rice, soup, beans, or even yogurt, you're not guessing the settings every time. And if you're completely new to pressure cooking, the included guide and recipes make the learning curve much less intimidating. It feels like a product that expects beginners and actually supports them. When it comes to performance, this cooker focuses on saving time without making things complicated. Meals that would normally take a long time on the stovetop come together much faster here, especially dishes like stews, lentils, or rice. The pressure cooking function does most of the heavy lifting, and it's consistent enough that you can rely on it once you get familiar with it. What stands out is how it reduces active cooking time. Instead of standing in the kitchen, you're setting it up and letting it handle the rest. In daily use, it fits naturally into a routine. You can prep ingredients, start the cooker, and move on with your day without constantly checking on it. The keep warm function helps if your timing isn't perfect, which is often the case in real life. Noise levels are pretty standard for this category, noticeable but not disruptive, and the steam release design feels safer and less intimidating compared to older models. The angled venting actually helps direct steam away from you, which is a small detail that makes a difference. Cleaning is another area where this cooker quietly makes life easier. The nonstick inner pot prevents food from sticking too much, so most of the time you're just rinsing it out instead of scrubbing. The fact that key parts are dishwasher safe adds convenience, especially if you're cooking regularly. It's one of those features you don't think about until you realize how much time it saves over weeks of use. Of course, it's not perfect. The 6-quart size is great for families, but if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, it can feel like overkill. It also takes up a fair amount of counter space, so smaller kitchens might feel a bit crowded. While the presets are helpful, more experienced users might find them slightly limiting if they prefer full manual control. And like most multi-cookers, it does a lot of things well, but it won't completely replace specialized appliances for very specific cooking styles. Compared to something like the Instant Pot Duo or similar multi-cookers in this price range, the Fullwill model holds its own by focusing on simplicity and safety. It may not have the same brand recognition, but it offers a very comparable experience in terms of speed and versatility. Where it stands out is in how beginner-friendly it feels, especially with its straightforward controls and safer steam release design. So who is this actually for? If you're cooking for a family, trying to save time during busy weekdays, or just want one appliance that can handle most of your meals without making things complicated, this is a solid option. It's especially useful if you're new to pressure cooking and want something that feels easy to use from day one. If you prefer compact appliances or very advanced customization, you might want to explore other options. At the end of the day, the Fullwill 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker 6-quart is less about flashy features and more about making everyday cooking easier and faster. And for most people, that's exactly what matters. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your kitchen setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.